See, leave the dog in here. You know, come on, dude. You're sitting there, you're gonna break the fence. Get in there. Go. Damn dogs. Look, he's a carpenter. They're not gonna go around his head.
Yes, you can.
Quit hammering.
It's gonna fall apart.
Quit hammering. I'm gonna make your tongue stick to a pole.
No, put another one right here. Get another one. Put it
I don't have another one.
Go get it. It's a miracle.
Zon, quit playing with it, dude. It's gonna break.
This is what Bobby had to do.
Has to be a cowboy, huh?
Well, we don't have any more hats.
He could be a construction worker.
What do you want him to be? A construction worker?
No, he could be a cowboy. It's fine. You've already gotten it out here.
But I wanna see
Fireman?
what-
We have a
I wanna see-
fireman?
Put that on here.
Hey, do cowboy because we're in Texas and Pawpaw's a cowboy, you know. Well, he's Western.